Amnezia is your own private VPN, on a server used only by you, with no subscription, no shared users. The entire setup takes about 5 minutes and requires no terminal commands. Let me show you how to set up Amnezia VPN. A VPN routes your traffic through another server, hides it from your local network, and gives you a different IP address. With a commercial VPN, you're essentially trusting a company with everything you do online. You share one IP address with thousands of other users, and those IPs are often blocked. You also pay a subscription, sometimes per device. And in restricted networks, well-known VPN services are the first to get blocked. The alternative is to run your own VPN on an affordable server. Only you use it. The IP belongs only to you. No subscription. No third party sees your traffic. For this, one of the best solutions is Amnezia VPN. Free, open source, self-hosted. What makes Amnezia different is that the entire setup happens from the client app on your computer or phone. No terminal, no manual server configuration. The app connects to your server via SSH and deploys everything automatically. By default, it installs Amnezia WG, an obfuscated version of WireGuard that's fast and works even under strict DPI. If you need deeper obfuscation for heavily censored networks, other protocols are supported as well. OpenVPN over Cloak, X-Ray, and protocols like ShadowSox are supported as well. Before you start, one thing to prepare. All you need is an affordable virtual server. Requirements are minimal. For personal use, 1 vCPU and 1 GB of RAM is enough. OS, a fresh Ubuntu or Debian. The important choice here is the region. This is the country your traffic will appear to come from. So choose where you want your IP to be located, and if you're bypassing restrictions, pick a location that isn't blocked from your network. After ordering the server, the provider will send you its IP address, the root login, and the password. You'll need those. Now, the setup itself. First, download Amnezia from the official website, amnezia.org. You'll see versions for Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and Linux. We're demonstrating on Windows, so we select that version and click Download. Once downloaded and installed, click the Add button, the plus icon, and a menu for creating a new connection will open. Select Self-Hosted VPN. In this window, fill in 3 fields. In the top field, enter your server's IP address. For this example, we're using the HOSTKEY control panel at invapi.hostkey.com. Here's our server. Copy the IP address. In the SSH username field, enter root. In the password field, enter the password provided when you ordered the server. Then click Continue. On the next screen, select the automatic installation option and click Continue again. Wait for the installation to complete. It typically takes no more than 5 minutes. During this time, the app connects to the server via SSH, deploys Docker and the protocol container, and configures everything automatically. Once complete, Amnezia creates a ready-to-use connection. All you need to do is click Connect. Connection successful. Let's check what our IP address is right now. Our IP is 82.26.171.216, the same as our server's IP, located in Finland. To use your connection on another device, download the Amnezia client on that device as well. No need to create a new connection. Just click Share, then Share again, and a configuration will be generated. You can send it to another person or to yourself on another device, either via QR code or by copying and saving the connection data to a file. That's it. Your own private VPN fully under your control, set up without a single terminal command. Don't want to repeat the setup every time? HOSTKEY offers VPS with Amnezia pre-installed. Ready in minutes, no configuration needed. The link is in the description. Try it today.